mortal remains of Ningthaujam baby Sana was taken from Jennings morgue for the last rites to be performed today. Floral tributes will be paid at Thau ground, Thangmaiban, after which the body will be buried at Haraurau Maning Tangkham Awang Laikai, Imphal East. Chief Minister N. Biren has taken up new measure for the welfare and development of all schools in the state. The Chief Minister said about Rs 33.50 crore will be spent under new schemes by August 7 next month. Out of 60 schools in the state, first priority will be given to 25 schools, he added. Saitu and Saikul have remained cut off after a suspension bridge collapsed. Modbung village chairman inspected the bridge and urged the government to take steps and repair the caved-in bridge in the earliest. Chief Minister N. Biren will conduct a meeting at his secretariat today to discuss the ban on unauthorized stone and sand minings in rivers across the state. Several officials on different departments are expected to take part in the meet. The protest against ban on stone and sand quarry continues unabated. Wage earners of KOIRENGEI to KANTO staged a rally by blocking road along Imphal-Dimapur road stretch of KOIRENGEI and Lekinthabi. Police stopped the protesters at KOIRENGEI bridge. Locals of KANTO KHULLEN staged a sit-in protest at KANTO KHULLEN Community Hall against the Manipur High Court order banning of sand and stone mining. The protesters held placards that read, "Safe laborers, no development without sand and stone, and we strongly oppose High Court ban." Players of International Shotokan Karate Federation Kanchipur team, who played at the 5th International Karate Championship 2019 held at Kolkata Netaji Indoor Stadium from July 26 to 28, were felicitated today at ISBT Khuman Park. Trainers, karate enthusiasts along with parents and guardians of the player were present. Players from Manipur took home many medals at the competition. A one-day free Ayurveda health camp was jointly organized by all Community Development Organization and Kanglei Park Nature Cure Research and Production Center, Kongba Kheti Laikai at More today. The camp was organized specially for women and their related health issues like womb cancer, female reproductive systems, and irregular menstrual problems. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur held a mass protest at Desam office against using unfair means in HSLC exam and pending report on the inquiry committee constituted by Board of Secretary Education Manipur. SANATOMBI Oriental English School, KUMBI, conducted an awareness program on tree plantation exhibition at the school premises. Taking part in the program, KUMBI MLA S. Bira appealed to the masses on planting more trees. The AIZAWL Municipal Corporation announces a new law banning single-use plastic bags and other plastic products of below 50 micron, which will come to effect within the corporation area from August 1. Eminent economist and former RBI Deputy Governor SUBIR GOKARN passed away today. In 2015, GOKARN was appointed as an executive director on board of the IMF. He was appointed the Deputy Governor of RBI in 2019 for 3 years and was the youngest Deputy Governor at that time.